Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are good. Ramadan Kareem Mubarak to you all and your family also. Okay. Today we are going to see revision only. In the revision we are going to see singular and plural. Singular and what? Plural. Date is 26 April 2020. Singular and plural. A singular noun definition. See the definition. A singular noun names one person, place, thing or idea. So singular noun, what? Only one. We can tell the name of a one person, one place or thing or idea. Thing or idea. Only one person, one name it should be there. And plural noun names more than one person, place, thing or idea. For example, we can say ball. In a plural noun we can say balls. For singular, one ball. See the ball, one ball. Here two balls. Yes, one person, two people. Yes, like this. So a singular noun names one person, place, thing or idea. Plural noun names more than one person, place, thing or idea. Understand? Everyone say everyone. Say the definition. A singular noun names one person, place, thing or idea. A plural noun names more than one person. It should be 2, 3, 4, more than one person, place, thing or idea. Tell the name of a person, place, thing or idea. See the 8 plural noun rules. Add yes to the forms of most nouns. We are adding only yes. And second is add es to the noun that end with the words end with ch, sh, x, s or z. So these are the words end with these are ends with ch, sh, s, x or z. You have to just add what? Es. In the third one, for nouns that end in y with a consonant before the y, change the y to I and add es. I and add es. So what you have to do, if the word end with y and the y before there is consonant, no vowels, there is consonant, you have to add just what? IES. You have to what? Add IES. And see number 4. For nouns that end in y with a vowel before the y, just add yes. So if the word end with y, there is vowel before the y, there is vowel, you have to add what? Only yes. If it is consonant, you have to add IES before y. If it is vowel before y, you have to add what? Yes. Now see, for noun that end in f or fe, drop the f or fe and add ves. See, loaf, knife, the word end with f and fe. What you have to do? You have to remove it. Drop it means remove the f and fe. Just add ves. What you have to add? Ves. And here for nouns that end with the consonant before an o and add es. So potato, tomato. So the word end with o, add what? Es. The word end with o, es. Some nouns change the spelling of this singular noun, that is irregular noun. So it will change, like child, children, mouse, mice, person, people. Like this, food, feed. Some noun use the same singular and plural form. So same, fish, fish, deer, deer, same. It will become same. It never change. It will be same. So these are the rules. You have to see two to twice, three to twice times. Because if you see, then only you will understand clearly. This is your homework worksheet. What you have to do, write the plural form of each noun, like cars, boxes, shops. Like this, add yes and es and y, take out y and add ies. So I already explained in their rules. So have to see this and do it, this one. Another homework is irregular. The words end with irregular. Child, children, women, person, people, baby, stories, flies, wishes, knives, dresses, tooth, teeth, shelves. Like this you have to do. You already know very well. Again, just as a revision to make it now very well. Okay. Thank you.